Hello, everyone. Today we are going to check out the website Square. That is the website that I use. It's a free website and it offers a lot of different features. So that's why I chose it. And I think you may like it as well. So let's check it out. It's under squareup.com. Okay, here we are. We're going to sign in. Put in your email and your password. We'll take a look at my website. Okay. Over here, I think it's cut off a little bit. You can't quite see. It says home, virtual terminal. This is where you can key in people's payment information, invoices, reports, balance, transactions, loans, account settings, and orders. Here we go. There's a community that you can join if you have questions. Take a look at our insights about this. Okay, if we had any customers, they would show up there. This is pretty nifty, actually, directory. This is all the customers. Would be listed here. If you can go down. They're recording, I guess not. Let me see. Okay. Then we'll look at feedback. See your feedback. So far, I haven't had any feedback. Settings. Let's see what's under here. Configure profiles. Okay. Okay, card on file. Let's look at that. Print and file customer authorization. You need your customer's signed authorization to save their card and protect you from chargeback liability. Have your customer fill out and sign this form, then store it securely in accordance with PCI DSS and data privacy requirements. Let's take a look at the form. So I got to save it first. Antivirus has to do its job. Okay, where'd it go? Here we go, it's coming. Okay, well, that's a good thing to know. Have it right there. Okay, let's go back. What do we have over here? Okay, so this is back to the main menu. Home. Appointments. You can do your appointments right here. That's another thing I like about the website. And I haven't set this up yet. Okay, so calendar. There you go. services. See what it pulls up here. Okay, this is the services and the prices. Oh, and this is outdated, by the way. So don't be looking at these too much. These prices are all outdated. Okay. No channel listings, modifiers, categories. Let's go in there. Categories help you arrange and organize items, report on item sales, and route items to specific printers. Okay, we're not going to do that. Says if you want to offer discounts, sales tax is here, options. Add options to an item to create variations. For example, add size options. Okay, well, I only have one product now and it's an E product, so I'm not going to worry about that. Okay. Customers, of course, would show up right here. Up here, where the little square is. Okay, they're going to start taking Cash App as well. They take so many different payment types, it isn't even funny. In fact, where'd they go? No transactions. Okay. Okay, nothing much going on here right now. However, I do expect this to change. But for now, this is the Squared website, or Square website, I should say. I hope that this has been informative. And if so, please give me the thumbs up. Please comment, share, and pass this along to your friends. And I hope it helped you out. Okay, have a great day and see you on the next video.